Hello. In this video, I will demonstrate how duplicates remover add-on works and its functionality. Users can click on extensions, find the add-on here, duplicates remover, and click on open remove duplicates option. They can also check the help section here. So if I click on open remove duplicates, it first asks for an authorization. I select my account. And as you see here, it's submitted for verification. Hence, I need to, this is showing isn't verified app yet. I click on go duplicate. Here we are requesting two scopes. One is for read-write access on Google Sheets, and one is for displaying sidebars and prompts. Because our add-on opens as a model and allows you to take actions. I'm selecting both and we'll click continue. Now, why Google Sheet read write permission is required is it uh, reads data from Google Sheets, it finds the duplicates and write the status back into the same Google Sheet, or it creates a new tab, or it can also create a new spreadsheet itself to keep duplicates separate. I'll click on continue. Okay, and this is how the model will open. Here you can select data in multiple ways. So like you can select columns here. Like suppose if I'm selecting A to D, and I can click on get selected range. And if you see sheet 1 A to D is auto populated here. Or I also have an option of auto select. So auto select will select all data range, as you see A1 to G43, which is entire data range. It has 43 rows. Okay, then you can click on next. If you want to create a backup copy of this, you can do that. You can select this uh, so that before removing duplicates, you will have a backup copy of it. You click next. Now here you need to select detection type. So first option is like a duplicates, exclude first occurrence. So it will only find duplicate items by skipping first one. This option is for duplicates first occurrence. So it will find first occurrence as well as duplicate occurrence, all the occurrences. Then third is uniques. It will only find unique values in this sheet, and this one is unique plus first occurrence. So all unique rows plus the rows of each duplicate group. Okay. Here I'll select duplicates. I click on next. Here I can select columns to search or columns to match. So it is not necessary that you need to have same values in the entire row. You can choose columns here. So I want to uh, select only name and department. I want to find same people in same department and same location and with the same email. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll select none here. Then I'll select name, department, location, and email. I'll also select skip the empty cells. Um, and I'll click next. So it will match values from only these four columns. Next. Now here you need to choose an action, whether you want to fill in the color for duplicate row, or whether you want to add a new status column, or you want to move these duplicates to some other sheet, like a new sheet or a new spreadsheet altogether. Move to, so first is copy and second one is move to another location. So it will delete data from this tab and it will add data to other sources. Then you have a clear values also. You can delete those rows, clear the values, and this is the delete rows within selection, and delete entire rows from the sheet. So you can also delete those duplicate rows directly. For now, I'll select add a status column. Okay, and I'll click on finish. Oh, it was very quick. So as you see, it added status column here, and it found all the duplicates, and it added a status as duplicate over there. Because I have just copy pasted same value, almost everything is duplicated. Okay. Now, if I want to take some other action, for example, I come here and again go to action, and I say like a copy to another sheet. So I select a new spreadsheet here and click on finish. Okay, so it has created a new spreadsheet, and if I open it, it will have all the duplicate entries copied over here, and the name is duplicates from duplicates merger. So this is the original name, and this is the duplicates from that sheet. Okay, similarly, if you want to find unique values, I don't think there are any unique values, but let me try to change something. I'll put uh, name here, let's say Ashish, and here I'll just keep it as a Priya, not Priya Nair. Okay, so now this is the these two are the unique items. Let's see how it works. Again, I'll select none and name, department, location, and email. Next, and I'll now select new sheet, or I'll select move to another location, and I'll select new sheet and finish. As you see, Unix from sheet 1. So from sheet 1, it has copied those unique entries and pasted them over here, right? So this is how it works. I hope this helps. And okay, but why it didn't copy this column like duplicate is in the range we had selected A1 to G43, right? So it copied data from A to G. So this selecting data range is very important here. And you can close this. So this is how this add-on works. I hope this helps. Thank you.